Are you struggling to make ends meet, despite working hard every day? If so, here's some hope and guidance. There's a fantastic opportunity out there for generating passive and residual income that could help you gain the financial stability you've been searching for. But the question is, are you open to exploring these opportunities? Are you willing to dedicate some time and effort into creating reliable streams of passive income that can work for you in the long run? It's not always easy to venture into new territories, but sometimes that's what it takes to find success. So, if you're ready to take the leap and learn more about passive and residual income opportunities, together, we can discover new and exciting ways to prosper, achieve greater financial security, and emerge from challenging circumstances stronger than ever before. Here's one idea to get you started. And the great thing is there's no selling or recruiting required. Use the link in this post to check it out.